In this episode of the Reviews Point we'll cover the top 5 best AC adapter that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. At number 5. Waysse 5V1 AAC Adapter 100 volts to 240 volts Slim Design. The Waysse 5V1 AAC Adapter guarantees safety. It has an over-voltage overload protection feature, also having a short-circuit protection. Hence, be free from worry of current disasters. Moreover, take note that this adapter works only for 5 volts and less and 1A and less. It won't work and is not safe to use for above 5 volts in 1A. This power adapter has a 2.8 inches * 1.8 inches, 1.02 inches plug size. Make sure that the plug size matches your device's socket. In addition, the adapter comes with a 1x5V 1000 mAh DC power supply with 2 feet power cord, DC jack with 5.5 x 2.5 mm. Take note that it is still compatible with 5.5 x 2.1 mm. The wire is also augmented with a support hinge at both ends. This makes sure that your wire won't deteriorate easily. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4. Excelity AC District of Columbia 5V1A Wall Charger Power Adapter. The Excelity Wall Charger Power Adapter has the worldwide AC input. It supports AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Also, its output is 5 volts 1A, 1000 mAh maximum. Furthermore, it is also compatible with 650 mAh or lower devices. Take note that the connector size is 5.5 x 2.5 mm. It also fits with 5.5 x 2.1 mm. In addition, the cord has a length of 3.3 feet. This power adapter has an IC chip technology. With this, it protects your device from overvoltage, overheat and overcurrent. Rest assured that this adapter is at low to none risks of danger. As long as you don't exceed the maximum 5V1A, 1000 mAh output. Also, this adapter can be used with routers, humidifiers, air cleaners, electronic refrigerators, and LCD monitors. At number 3. ZOZO 10W5V2A, 2000 mAh multi-tips switching AC power adapter. What makes this different from others is its multi-tips. The ZOZO power adapter has many multiple tips for different electronics. This can be used with 5-volt scanner, router, CCTV camera, Foscam wireless IP camera, and baby monitor. Hence, this adapter is far more versatile. In addition, this has an input of 110 to 240 volts. Furthermore, an output of 5 volts 2.1A 10W maximum. The adapter supports the following sockets: 3.0 x 1.0 mm, 2.5 x 0.7 mm, 3.5 x 1.35 mm, 5.5 x 2.5 mm, 5.5 x 2.1 mm, 4.0 x 1.7 mm, as well as micro USB. Moreover, it has a safeguard feature. It protects against incorrect voltage, short circuit, internal overheating, and overloading. Most of all, the ZOZO power adapter is made from premium quality material, thus ensuring a longer lifetime. At number 2. SoulBay Universal AC/DC Adapter Multi-Voltage for 3 volts to 12 volts 2A, upgraded version. The SoulBay Universal AC/DC Adapter has an input of 100 volts to 240 volts 50, 60 Hz 1000 mAh. An output of 3 volts, 4.5V, 5V, 6V, 7.5V, 9V, 12 volts 2000 mAh maximum. Moreover, it has a full protection structure. It protects against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and over temperatures. Hence, safety is guaranteed to its owner. Also, it comes with 8 selectable multi-tips, providing a wide range of compatibility with various appliances. This adapter is also an upgraded version. Thus, it is better and improved than the original model. The upgrade brought in newly designed plugs. With this, it is easier to plug in chargers. It is also 1.5 meters in length. Furthermore, the SoulBay universal AC/DC adapter is made of compact material. The plug also has magnetic ring. Overall, it brings convenience, safety, and durability in one. At number 1. TMEZON 12 volts 2 AAC to DC power adapter. The most notable feature of the TMEZON power adapter is its cord length. It features an 8-foot-long cord. Thus, this adapter can be used 2 times longer in range than usual. The power adapter also has a compact design and low consumption. Hence, ideal for taking around and using at home. It has an AC input of 100 volts to 240 volts. With a DC output of 12 volts 2A rating. Importantly, the plug size is 2.1 times 5.5 millimeters. This product flaunts that only they have durable quality 8-feet adapter. It has support hinges on the cord's 2 ends. A hard adapter case for protection against drops and falls. With this, the TMEZON power adapter stays true to its word. Only they have durable quality 8-feet power adapter. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.